the yeast to come alive, I'm going to start, this is my water bath canner. I am going to start putting the tomatoes, the remaining tomatoes in here. And one thing I have learned from canning and not getting a really good seal is that you absolutely have to stay, and I've mentioned this before, you have to stay in the kitchen. You cannot, I think I was doing something good by being in the house because the kids weren't feeling well, being inside of the house and getting that done, but that was not the case. That was not the case at all, because I have never not had a true seal on any of my jars.
Fear has a hold still on me. Anxious I struggle to breathe, but your love surrounds me. Your love has found me, the real me so easy.
This is the can I'm using. It's a 32 quart canner. Clearly this is my first time using it. It's very thin. Whenever canning, this came with it. Whenever you're canning, you need to have a bottom rack. The jars cannot touch the bottom of the pot. So you definitely need to have this. I'm filling it up now.
Behind walls I construct deep inside, but your love breaks through me. Your love pursues me. You know that I know, tonight I let go. All of me tonight, all of me, I lay all of me here at the feet of the King. All of me tonight, all of me, I lay all of me here at the feet of the King. All those around me can see I'm a shadow of who I could be, but still you choose me and ever renew me.
I'm going to put it back on and let it come up to boil. Keep an eye on this, and then we'll be ready to can. And I need to get rid of this water in this canner and do it again. If you feel like you're wasting water, then you can keep something outside where you can go fill it, and then, but then vinegar is in here. Maybe not can with vinegar. That's just a suggestion. Not can with the vinegar drops inside of it, and then you can save that water to water your garden. Like this, I forgot to put the vinegar inside of it. But I'm gonna throw this out because it is 7:27 now. It is late. So I'm just reducing it just a little bit, not that much. It's pretty much going to be a thin sauce, but it doesn't look that thin because it's not. I'm just reducing it. It's pretty thick. It's pretty thick sauce. And I didn't strain out the seeds or anything like that this time. I just immersion blended. I'm doing it the way I did it not even last year, in 2022. Because the only sauce I have, and I probably will be voice over this because it's loud in here. The only sauce I have left in my pantry from 2022 is 3 quart jars of the Garden Harvest spaghetti sauce. Tomato sauce, not spaghetti sauce, tomato sauce. And that's it. And this one I am going to add Italian blend mixture and citric acid, which will be lemon juice. I'm adding lemon juice. I don't have ball citric acid. I'm adding lemon juice, okay? So I'm just waiting for this pot to come up to temperature. It's a fresh pot of water, and I have my quart jars. I have 2, 4, 6, 8 quart jars in here. Probably won't need it, but you know me, I will do a bunch, so just to have enough. Okay, we are back. And let's get some of these jars out of this canner. Start filling. We need to put 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and I'm going to turn this stove off, give this a good stir. So we're using quart jars. In quart jars you can use bottled lemon juice, not fresh, or the ball citric acid. So with ball citric acid you need 1 tablespoon per quart, but with bottled lemon juice you will need and 1 teaspoon. You can add salt to this. I am not. 1 teaspoon of this of Italian seasoning, and then we're going to fill our jars with our tomato sauce. And more than likely I probably will find some more tomatoes inside of my freezer. We are filling to 1/2 inch headspace, and then we need to debubble. And that is the middle line on our jars, on our canning jars. Messy, messy, messy.
Tonight I let go.
show you guys something. If you see right there, hope you can see it. I'm trying to hold it so I don't get burnt. And I want you guys to see that bubble. You see that bubble right there? That's what we're trying to prevent. So we're pushing that down until there's no bubble coming. There's no bubbles on the side. And you just take this and you just, if you can see, it's coming out right there on the side, and you just keep pushing it down. Taking my time debubbling the jars and cleaning the rims and the corkscrew area with white vinegar, because I have no plans of making anything with tomato sauce after making all those pizzas. So please be mindful of when you're canning, be present when you're canning. So we're going to screw on our lids fingertip tight and put it into our water bath canner. Okay, it's late, so I'm thinking that I have the recording on. I'm recording and I'm not. Anywho, so we have 2, 4, 6 quarts in here and 2 pints. I thought I only had enough for one pint, but turns out I had enough for a quart, which I should know because it makes 7 quarts, but it's late. I am tired. Anywho, I was not going to dump out because I already did that 1 pint, and I was not going to dump it out and then put it into a quart jar. So I just did 2 pints. So pints are 35 minutes and quarts are 40 minutes. So we have 2 pints inside of here. So we're boiling this, we're processing this for 40 minutes. We're not taking it out. Nothing's going to happen. We're not taking it out at 35 minutes. I'm not setting 2 timers. You don't need to. Process it for the extra 5 minutes and that's fine. So they're all in this canner now. I have it on. We're going to bring this up to a rolling boil, and then we're going to start our timer. So thank God everything's sealed. We have our spaghetti sauce is sealed. Our gelled cranberry sauce is sealed. So we have cranberry sauce. And we have spaghetti, well, not, we could turn it into spaghetti sauce, but tomato sauce on our pantry shelves now canned to just go and use, and we don't have to purchase it from the store. If you have not liked this video yet, please go ahead and click the like button. Turn on your notification. If you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate that. And everyone, have a blessed day. Bye-bye.